to our haircut class where I'm teaching you how to do 4 haircuts in an hour. This is going to be lesson 8, another practical demonstration. We're going to show you again another haircut with the magnetic clipper with a lever on the side, master, magic clip, wall senior. However, it's going to be a taper fade. And we're going to show you that it is possible for it to be done. Again, the reason why I don't use these clippers is because I like the detachable blades and it moves faster. But I'm going to show you all the flaws, the mistakes. And again, the reason is it's not fast enough for me and it does dig pores. I don't have to deal with that when I use the detachable clippers. However, I do want you to see the success of it. Basically, we're about to show you how only using half of the blade works. On the left side of the head, you use the right side of the blade. On the right side of the head, you use the left side of the blade. Now, we're going to get started and show you how it works with this taper.
Skin taper.
Drop the fingers, clip on the fingers. All right. Right here. It's this half, swing. That allows your blend to come right away instead of a hard line. Then you go in the back. Right away. Half of the blade come right here, swing. You see how the blend always start? The clipper blends for you. This side of the blade on this side of the head. The right side. Right here. The blend. Only using half of the blade make the blend work for you. This side of the blade, blend, 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 blend. This side, on this side, blend, 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 blend. Now we're gonna blend that line together using the lever. Go halfway, flat, mid, high. 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 This side. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Same, flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. See how I use the lever together? Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high, high. Flat, mid, high, 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 high. Flat, mid, high. flat, mid, high. Now just melt the waves down right here. And everything gonna knock right in place. All right. We're gonna line everything up. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Let the left straight edge do the lining for you. All right. Just a quick cleanup. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. Flat, mid, high. All right. Clean them up. All right, basically, you can see it. It's finished product, tapered. I showed you the different ways of how to hold the blade, only half the blade at a time. Thanks for watching our video. I hope we were able to answer all your questions about doing these fades, flat, mid, high, swinging on an angle with the magnetic clipper with the lever on the side, the masters, the wall seams, magic clips, so on and so forth. I thank you, and now we're going to conclude with a little bit of music. Thank you.